Hi, this is the MOTOROLA Moto G84 and I'll show you how to connect to Wi-Fi this device. So first open the settings and then tap to network and internet. Click to the Wi-Fi section and to activate Wi-Fi option or to turn it off you should click on the switcher. After that you'll see here all of the available networks. After activating the Wi-Fi options you will see here the networks and you could select one from the networks. After that enter the password and tap to connect. Wait a second and we could see that our device successfully connected to this network. By the same way you could just use another network, enter the passwords, tap to connect, and after that you'll see all of them here in saved networks list. Also we get one more way how we could do that. Just open the control panel and here find Wi-Fi icon. Click on this icon to activate Wi-Fi or to turn it on by this way. And to launch full Wi-Fi settings, hold it for a while and after that you could select one from the available options and just to use them. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.